In this video, we will be replacing the brake light switch on a 2009 Hyundai Elantra. Reason being, cruise control does not work. You hit the button, the set light comes on for the cruise control, and then it goes off right away. So this right here is the new brake light switch. This switch is located right where the brake pedal is. If you follow the brake pedal up, you'll see the light switch right there. It's not too bad to get to. We just got to disconnect the connector on the side and then take off those nuts, and it comes right out. Now you can look at the connector to figure out how to take it out. So you push on this tab right here on the connector, and that should pop right out. Should. Doesn't mean it will. There we go. This switch not only works the brake lights, but it also tells the computer system to activate or deactivate the cruise control. So if this switch is bad, cruise control will not work. So I'm going to take one of these nuts off. So I'm going to need it on the new switch. First thing we're going to do is put the connector into the switch. All right, so that's in. To put that switch back in, you got two flats on the switch. That's got to line up with the bracket. There we go. We're going to adjust the first nut till that switch is all the way depressed into the switch housing. Once you get that depressed all the way into the housing, I'm going to go ahead and just snug up the second nut, which is the lock nut. And now we're going to test the brakes to see if they work, the brake lights. All right, what's happening is I have to push the pedal significantly lower to get the brake light to turn on. So I will need to adjust this quite a bit. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to bring this switch away from the pedal. What you want to do is have this switch adjusted so that when you hit the brake pedal, when you just touch it, it will activate the brake lights. All right, now that I got it adjusted a bit, let's see how it works. And there you go. As soon as I touch the brake pedal, the brake light comes on. As soon as you touch the pedal, boom, there you go. So once it's adjusted, just go ahead and snug the nuts down really well. See how it moves just a little bit? That right there is a travel right before the brake engages. And at that point, that's when the light comes on. So that's adjusted properly right there. Any further than this, and the brake system will be applied. So that's where you want the brake light to come on. That's it. That's all there is to replacing a brake light switch on a Hyundai Elantra. Not that difficult. The hardest thing is just to get that adjusted correctly. That switch affects your brake lights, whether or not they turn on. And it also affects your cruise control, whether or not it turns on. Now, there is another thing that could be affecting your cruise control if you can't get it to set, and that could be the switch housing, because these vehicles are known for the brake switch to go bad and the cruise control button to go bad, or the set buttons. Hope this is helpful. You all take care. God bless. I'll catch you on the next one.